From 4,000 pesos down to 2,000 pesos, maniwala ka guys, mabibili mo to sa live natin this coming September 8, 8 p.m. guys, on the Orange app guys, grabe. Damay na rin po ang Infinix Smart 10, ito matindi, from 5,000 pesos, 120Hz guys na display, 3,000 pesos na lang mabibili mo to sa live natin guys this coming September 8. Damay na rin ang Infinix Hot 60 Pro, ito, 9,000 pesos guys down to 6,000 pesos, may bagong mid-range high-end cellphone ka na galing kay Infinix. So, paano mo to mabibili guys? Simple lang, mag-subscribe ka right now on the description or link in the comments right now para maklaim mo na yung mga vouchers mo at mag-reflect yung mga prices neto sa account niyo once na nag-live tayo this coming September 8, 8 p.m. guys, again dun sa Orange app, okay? Nasa link in the description or nasa comment. Guys, lahat ng mga products natin guaranteed 100% brand new, authentic, sealed with 1 year local and international warranty po yan. Pwede mo rin tumabili ng 0% interest up to 6 months using SPay later. Imagine for example, kung bibili mo tong Infinix Smart 9, 2,000 pesos tapos 6 months, parang 300, 400 pesos na lang amount yun guys. Grabe! Anybody can afford, lahat magkakaroon po ng bagong cellphone this coming September 8, 8 p.m. guys, live natin on the Orange app. So, pinantay nyo, mag-subscribe na kayo, click the link guys, link in the comments, link in the description, at makita guys po tayo. Meron tayong COD, GCash, GGS, credit card, debit card, and again, 0% up to 6 months using SPay later. Let's go! See you there! Huwag ka magpapauli, limited vouchers lang to.